What's the meaning of Big Bad Wolf? Big Bad Wolf. Big Bad Wolf.
Big Bad Wolf. Big Bad Wolf. Big Bad Wolf is a common phrase used to describe a villain or an antagonist. The phrase originates from the popular fairy tale, The Three Little Pigs, where the wolf plays the role of the evil character who seeks to destroy the pigs' houses. The term has since been used in various contexts, including literature, film, and popular culture, to describe antagonistic characters who are cunningly deceptive and pose a significant threat to the protagonist. The phrase is often used to denote someone or something that is considered dangerous or threatening. Overall, Big Bad Wolf symbolizes a character or entity that one should be wary of due to their malicious intentions.